Great Barrier Reef, Heaven in Australia, Part 4. InterContinental Hayman Island Resort.
Is it possible that you want more? I just want you for myself. You had to leave early.
A tropical oasis of white sandy beaches, lush palm trees, and sparkling waters awaits you at InterContinental Hayman Island Resort.
Afraid to never see you again. Give it all to my baby, all to my baby, all to my baby. 'Cause I trust
In the heart of the Great Barrier Reef, a new era of luxury is here to greet you.
I remember.
The Whitsundays' magnificent natural beauty, legendary private island experiences, and holy moments of connection with your loved ones, friends, and yourself will all be yours to enjoy at the InterContinental Hayman Island Resort. Find a location with such profound tactile and visual beauty that it will transform you. The spa is a blissful sanctuary, dedicated to personal pampering including facials, body wraps, and massages. Also on offer are a state-of-the-art fitness center, tennis court, and swimming pool. The resort features 5 restaurants with Italian, Asian, and modern Australian cuisines. For a private dining experience, you can enjoy a romantic twilight dinner or a gourmet beach picnic.
The lights were blinding me, electric pulses through my veins. My eyes reflect the beauty you didn't give me the attention I was hoping for. Is it possible that you want more? I just want you for myself. You had to leave early. And I didn't even have your number. I was afraid to never see you again. Give it all to my baby, all to my baby, all to my baby. 'Cause I trust you a little, trust you a little, trust you a little. I remember last time you said you slept with that other guy. That's why it's hard for me to trust you another time. Give it all to my baby, all to my baby, all to my baby. 'Cause I trust you a little, trust you a little, trust you a little. I remember last time you said you slept with that other guy. That's why it's hard for me to trust you another time.
I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.